You can now buy stocks and ETFs on crypto exchanges like Binance, and I'm going to show you how you can do that in this video right now. So this video is a detailed step-by-step guide on how to buy stocks on Binance Exchange. Now, I made that video about how to buy stocks on Binance Exchange a few days ago, but many persons still question how practical this can be and how to move money from the local bank account into Binance to buy stock. Based on the fact that Binance don't offer P2P in most countries, like So now that's why in this video have made it a point of duty to show you how you can buy the stocks on Binance. Now, first thing you need is a Binance account. If you don't have a Binance account, check the link in the description, register a Binance account, and then we can begin. If you need a separate videos on how to register a Binance account, you can check in the description or check somewhere around here. I've already made that. So it's very simple. It's a simple walkthrough. It's 2026. Yes. All right. So now when you have a Binance account, now the next thing is you need USDT. You need to buy the USDT or the stable coin that you're going to use to buy the stocks. Now, in most countries, like I mentioned earlier, don't have that available. So now if you're using Coinbase, you can actually buy from Coinbase USDT from Coinbase with your card. That's if you're buying from the US, UK, another country that Coinbase is accepted. But if you're buying from any of these African countries like Nigeria, you can use Bybit. And on Bybit, I've already made a tutorial on how to do that. However, let me just go through it right now. So the first thing you need to do is on your Bybit, you go to your deposit option. Now, when you click on deposit, the next thing you click on is you click on the P2P. When you click on P2P, you will see ads. Click on the buy section, filter the ad. Let's say you want to buy USDT of let's start with $10. Put in the amount that you want to use right here, and then filter the ads and buy your USDT. Now, once you've done that, transfer that USDT from Bybit into Binance in your preferable network. Now, if you're sending from Bybit to Binance, I always recommend some networks that are absolutely free. I know you don't know that. You can send crypto from Binance to Bybit on free networks. And some of those free networks are Aptos. Aptos is free. They won't charge you a dime. Now, if you're sending from Coinbase, definitely the best network to use is ERC20. Okay, or use whichever one that is made available to you. Make sure that your destination, which is Binance, is destination network, which is Binance, is the same with your sender address. Okay. All right. So now, first of all, we need to get our USDT on our through Bybit, because like if you're from the region where I am right now, you can't actually get USDT on Binance from your bank account. So I need to go through Bybit. And to do that, now you go to P2P here. So click on deposit, P2P trading, and you click on buy. Now on this buy section here, let's say you want to buy let's say $10. You just put like about 13,000. Let's put the amount in range. Then you choose payment method, bank transfer, and now only buy from those that has at least, okay, only buy from those that has this at least 1,500 orders. Like you can see, this person has over 2,000 orders, over 24,000 orders, and then only buy from those that have at least between 98 to 100% rating. Those, and also make sure that they are always online. Those are the people you buy from. Now, the moment you buy, now you come here, you click on withdraw crypto, withdraw USDT on chain. Now we'll go to our Binance account to get an address. Now remember I said earlier, there are some chains that are free. Now we click on add funds, click on on chain, click on USDT, click on I would like to use Aptos. Aptos is free. So all right, click on copy the address. Have to make sure that you note the address you're copying. Come to Bybit, paste in that address, choose network. You can see that Aptos is 0. I don't know whether you're seeing what I'm showing you. Look at this one. Tron is $1, BNB is 0.2, but Aptos is $0. Now click on Aptos, click on Max, click on withdraw, confirm, and it's sent. So in this my case, I don't need to enter verification and all of that because I've used this address extensively. So now we have our USDT on Binance. Now that we have our USDT on Binance, here we go. Binance right now. So now the next thing we want to do is to click on market. Now when we click on market, we'll click on TradeFi. Now we are at TradeFi. Now at this point here, we need to look for the stock that we want to buy. This one has done pretty well. Okay, we'll look for something that is for the purpose of this tutorial. This is not me advertising any stock, but I'm just going to look for something. I like this one here. It has done pretty good. I don't know what this new stock is all about, but let me click. You click on buy. Now skip. Now you click on crypto. Remember, now what we are seeing here default is USDT. So now we need to switch. Click on USDT because that's what we have. We have USDT, not USDC. Now we'll choose the amount that we want to use to buy this stock. Let's say I want to use like let's say 25% of my portfolio. I'll just tap on 25%. It will review it. Then 5. Okay, minimum buy is $5, so $5.4. So let me just use, let's say $6 to buy, and then click on preview. Okay, here are terms and conditions when you are buying for the first time. Acknowledge it, and then you click on confirm. Okay, click on buy again, convert and buy. So click on buy, and here we go. Stock market buy order field. So we've bought our first stocks. So let's click on market. On assets. Now you can see we are now holding the new stock. All right. So how do you sell the stocks if you want to sell? So the same way is either the best way to do is to click on the stock itself, click on sell, then when you're selling you can decide to sell. Now enter the amount you want to sell. In my own case, I'll enter 100%. Now if you're selling, it goes directly to USDC. Don't worry, I'll show you how to convert that. You click on sell, and boom, I've just sold my stock, and I now have USDC. You can see now I have USDC. So y'all can see that I'm actually making some losses trying to make this video tutorial to you guys, for you guys. So please try and always subscribe to my channel. So now this USDC, now you can now decide to convert it into USDT to have you can decide to click on trade. So when you click on trade, it takes you directly to this part here, this convert option. Now I can click on max, convert to USD. You can see it's converting at 1-to-1 rate. Okay, convert. So we now have our USD back. So that's how simple it is to buy and sell stocks on Binance. Here's the hard part that most persons won't tell you. Like you can see here, even though I have sold the stocks, now my funds are actually still locked. Now, with the reason they say funds are frozen until settled. You have funds of 0.00 BTC in value that are yet eligible for withdrawal pending stock settlement. So this stock settlement, I don't know how long it will be. However, I've been I saw this thing for like about 30 minutes ago, so I'm still waiting till when this stock settlement will be for them to actually fully unlock it for me. So this is one part that you should take note of. Even if you sell your stocks, you still have to wait for the settlement, which for now I can't confirm how long this may be. So after buying, you can always monitor your stocks here every single day, and then you can decide to sell them off whenever you want. You can also put in limit order that sells them off automatically whenever they get the profit. Or you can also yeah. So I hope this video was helpful to you. In order for you to see videos like this next time, you have to make sure that you are actually following me. And you can do that by clicking on the subscription button and then enable the notification bell button so that whenever I upload videos like this, you'll be the first to see. Don't miss out next time. See you in my next video.